Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Valentine's heart cookie that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this heart cookie, this is the ingredients. I have coconut extract, a hard cookie cutter, some chocolate, baking powder, a pinch of salt, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, and milk. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing and delicious heart cookies. So let's get started. To prepare these amazing heart cookies for Valentine's, I am ready to prepare it just like this. I'm adding the all-purpose flour, adding the granulated sugar. Of course, I'm going to add the baking powder and the pinch of salt. Remember, the pinch of salt is going to bring all those amazing flavors to this cookie. So we are just going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. You don't need to put it through a sifter. You could just go ahead and just mix it the way I'm mixing it right now. And now that you have this ready, it's very few ingredients, but this cookie comes out delicious and amazing. I have the coconut extract, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coconut extract. Remember, the coconut extract is very concentrated. You don't need to add too much. Just a little bit, and then that should be good. I'm adding the milk directly into the dry ingredients. I'm going to add the unsalted butter. Remember, the unsalted butter needs to be at room temperature, and the milk needs to be at room temperature. I am going to just incorporate it with the spatula before I use my hand mixer, so I don't make a mess on my working table. This is the best way to start incorporating the dry and the wet. And then of course I'm going to use my hands to start getting the dough together. It's gonna look like if you need to add more milk, but to tell you the truth, you don't need to add anything else. Just incorporate it, knead it really good until you have a ball of dough. Look at this. It doesn't really take too long when you start feeling all the dough getting really nice and compact, nice and soft. And this is exactly how you want your dough. This dough doesn't have to be put in the refrigerator. Just work it in. Once you see that there is no dry ingredients at all, then you are ready to start rolling out your dough and getting those a cookie cutter and start getting your cookies out of the rolled dough. Look at this. I'm adding just a little bit of the all-purpose flour to my working table, and with my rolling bowl, I am going to go ahead and start cutting out the cookies. Look at this. I added just a little more, and then I am ready to start cutting out the heart cookies. Look at this. I'm going to help myself with a little spatula to remove the hard cookie. Remove it, the dough, carefully. I already have a baking dish with parchment paper right on the bottom, and I'm going to start adding the cookies one at a time. This is the part that really takes a little longer, rolling your dough, because every time you get the cookies out, the little hearts out, you're gonna continue making the ball of the dough and continue rolling it out until you are completely done with the dough. Look at this. You decide how thick you want your little hearts or how thin you want your cookies. So here I'm just gonna continue doing the same thing, and of course rolling out the dough until I am completely done with the dough. Look at this. This looks amazing. Always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit at least 10 minutes before you put your dough inside, before you put your cookies inside. Look how beautiful they look. They're going to go in the oven for only 12 minutes. Don't open your oven. Just leave it as is. I'm going to put one at a time. Look at this. The hearts look amazing. And let me show you. They are completely done. And the bottom of the cookie, it's going to be golden brown. Like I said, I just got them out of the oven. They're still nice and hot. So I'm going to flip one over, being careful. Look at this. This is exactly how you want your cookies. I'm going to let them rest for at least 5 minutes. I have the baggie of the chocolate morsels, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm only using 1 cup of the chocolate morsels. Look at this. I'm going to take it to the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until the chocolate has dissolved completely. Once this is done, then you are ready to start covering your cookies. You could cover the whole cookie, but I decided to only cover half of the cookie. Look at this. It's so easy to cover the half of the cookie. It really looks really nice. Once you cover all your cookies just like this, look how easy it is. You're gonna put them in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes so that the chocolate really gets nice and hard and sticks to the cookie. I'm gonna continue making the rest. If you have little ones at home, invite them in the kitchen, have them help you cover the cookies with chocolate. Other kids love helping in the kitchen. Look at this. They look amazing. And of course, my home smells delicious. I can't wait to enjoy these delicious mini hard cookies for Valentine's. Look at this. This is the part that really takes a little longer. The decoration, adding the chocolate to the cookie, it really time consuming, but at the end, you are really going to enjoy this amazing and delicious cookie. Of course, made at home with lots of love. Once you have covered all your cookies, then put them in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, then you are ready for the presentation. You are ready to put them in a beautiful dish, in a plate, in a cookie jar. You decide, but I'm sure that your family is really going to enjoy this cookie. After the 10 minutes, the chocolate has firmed up. The cookie is now ready to be enjoyed by your loved ones. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing cookie covered with chocolate for Valentine's Day. I hope you give it a chance and you make these amazing cookies. And if you have little ones, bring them in the kitchen. Have them help you make these amazing cookies. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.